Hey guys, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious quinoa edamame spicy peanut salad. It is a coleslaw. We've got a ton of cabbage in there. We've got a ton of different things in there, but it is fairly easy to make. Now, making a delicious salad does take a little bit of effort, but this one should only take about 20 minutes to make, which is super delicious as a lunch item, or you can have this as a side dish at your next dinner. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Let's get started with our ingredients. So we've got 1 1/4 cup of dried quinoa. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how I cooked that and to make it super fluffy and yellow in color like this. And I've got 1/2 cup of mint or cilantro, so you can choose either or you can mix a blend of both of them. I've got 1 avocado, which is an optional topping, just makes it a little creamier and nicer. I've got 2 cups of thawed edamame beans out of the shell. I've got 2 green onions sliced up, so you can just slice those up nice and finely. And I've got 1/2 a red cabbage, so that's about 4 to 5 cups of cabbage, just thinly sliced or chopped there. And salted peanuts to top it all off. So for the quinoa, I'm going to cook it in 1/2 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable broth, and a little dash of turmeric for color. And it's also super good for you. Then I've got 1 1/4 cup of quinoa that I'm going to add in there because my package calls for, instead of a 2-to-1 ratio, it calls for 2 cups of liquid to 1 1/4 cups of dried quinoa. So just follow your package instructions on that. Now for our sauce, I've got ginger, I've got soy sauce or tamari if you're gluten-free, maple syrup, I've got 1 lime juice, which is about 2 tablespoons. I've got 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. I just had crunchy in the house. 2 to 6 tablespoons of sriracha. I used probably 6. I like it to be mega spicy. And then I'm just going to add the lid on and give that a little shake. Now it's going to be super thick. It's more like a dipping sauce consistency. So if you want to have it like that, you can. It's no problem. But I wanted to thin it out so it's just easier to spread over the salad. So I added a bit of water. I actually added a bit more water than I should have. You should only add like 1 tablespoon at a time, but it was still good. I just next time would add a little bit less water. I got a little heavy-handed there. So you want that quinoa to cool off if possible before adding it in here, because you don't want these ingredients to cook. It's a salad. We want to serve it cold. So I'm going to add in my quinoa, my cooked quinoa. I'm going to add in my cabbage. I used a red cabbage here just for looks, but you could totally use a green cabbage. It's going to taste just as good. Then I've got my edamame, so we're going to get a ton of protein from the edamame and the quinoa mixed together. And then for me, I just use mint for my fresh herb, and I've got my green onions. I wouldn't skip either of those just because it really adds to the flavor. And now I'm going to add on that spicy Thai peanut dressing, which is going to make it taste amazing. This dressing is good on so many different things. And then I'm just going to start mixing up the salad really thoroughly, and I added some pepper to it as well because I want to bring out the nutritional benefits of that turmeric that I put in the quinoa. And pepper, black pepper, for whatever reason, does that, and it also tastes amazing. So you can just mix that up really nicely and top it with your avocado. You can top it with those salted peanuts. The salted peanuts make all the difference. You could use chopped up almonds if you wanted instead. And this does last a couple days. It's not quite as crunchy after like 2 or 3 days, but I ate it anyway and it was still amazing. And I actually crumpled up a few tortilla chips on top, just like you could use a salty cracker or a salty tortilla chip, and that is so good on top too. All right, it's time for the taste test. The best part of all. I love this because it's so fresh and it's the perfect summer salad. Of course, I'm going to be adding some more sriracha to this because I like it spicy. I have this. It's not the real sriracha. I can't seem to find the real sriracha anywhere right now, and it's driving me crazy. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Okay, time for this taste test. The mint makes it so fresh and the avocado makes it creamy, and it's nice and filling from the edamame and the green onion. Oh, that's so good. Okay, I absolutely love this salad. This is a great summer salad. I'm gonna be having this on repeat. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this one, or if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments below. But just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below to get more like this.